what's up guys? I just got a delivery from FedEx, so I thought I'd go ahead and show you. There's not really much going on with the Shelby right now because I'm waiting on the timing cover valve covers, but guys, it's a box from Whipple. What do you think this is? Let's go ahead and open it up and find out. So let's see, let's set this down. I can bring out the old trusty knife. And we'll see what we got here. It's got a bunch of paper in here. So junk. Oh, here we go. So you got here, it's a 10 rib kit for the car. Obviously you got the belt. I did do the alternator kit, so I won't be using this. Let's see what we got here. Important installation instructions. Ooh, that's nice and heavy. We got ourselves some pulleys and stuff. Guessing this is actually the pulley. Probably bolts and pieces, more pieces. So yeah, so we got ourselves this kit here. I'm gonna go ahead and pause this for a second, and then I will pick this back up with all this on my cart. Well, it looks like I got a hold of Beefcake because they sent me the wrong part. This is not correct. Should be a 4-1, not a 5. So that's that. Well, they sent me a 5-bolt, so that sucks. Thankfully, the timing cover is not in, so I don't have to deal with that. But I guess I'll continue through the unboxing process. So we got here. This is the water pump pulley. It's not as nice as I thought it would be, you know, for the way the kit looks, but it is what it is. I'm guessing this is just more pieces and parts. Sorry about the fucking dogs over there. All they do is bark. Huh. So I do get a new one of these brackets. I guess this is a little different than mine. See, there is a difference. Yeah, it's a little, yeah, this is definitely a lot bigger than the original one. So there is a difference between the two. So, interesting. What else we got here? Looks like we've got more, it's in an ARP stud. Now I already have a replacement for this, so, but I guess I could sell that. More pieces and parts. More pieces and parts. Nuts and screws. So they sent me, again, they sent me the wrong one. I do not have a 5, I have a 4, so I guess that's going to go back. So I guess I will be having to ask some questions if this is going to actually work or not. 10 rib, this is the tensioner. So yeah, I guess we will find that out. So yeah, so more parts. What is in this box? I guess this is probably the tensioner, I would assume. No, more bits and pieces. So, all right. More idlers and pieces and parts. So there you guys have it. That's pretty much the 10 rib kit. I got to get a hold of Beefcake and Whipple to obviously get this fixed. All right, thanks guys. I'll talk to you guys later.